If you want a simple way to browse more privately or access websites with a different location, then adding Browsec VPN to Chrome is a quick and useful option. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add the Browsec VPN extension to the Chrome browser on Windows 11, step by step, so you can install it properly and get it running in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Let's go ahead and start. First, open the Chrome browser on your Windows 11 computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access settings and browser tools. From there, hover your mouse over extensions. When you do that, Chrome will show another menu, and in that menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official extension store, where you can safely search for and install Browsec VPN. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, go to the search bar and click inside it. Type Browsec VPN into the search field and press enter, or choose the result from the suggestions. You should see an option called Browsec VPN, Free VPN. Click on that extension to open its details page. This is the page where you can review the extension before installing it. On the extension page, look for the button that says Add to Chrome. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome will immediately display a permission pop-up asking you to confirm what the extension is allowed to do. This is completely normal for browser extensions, especially VPN tools that need to change how your browser connects. When the prompt appears, click Add Extension to continue. After that, Chrome will automatically download and install Browsec VPN for you. Once the installation is complete, take a look at the top right corner of your browser. You may not see the extension right away, so click the puzzle piece icon. This icon opens your list of installed extensions. Inside that menu, you should see Browsec VPN listed. Click on Browsec VPN to open it and begin the setup process. Now, the extension will ask you to accept its terms or permissions. Click Accept so you can move forward. After that, you should see the option to start the VPN. Click Start VPN and then choose your preferred country from the available list. Browsec VPN will connect using the location you selected, and once it's active, your browsing traffic will go through the VPN in Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully added Browsec VPN extension to Chrome browser in Windows 11. Installed it, opened it from the extensions menu, accepted the setup, and started the VPN with your chosen country. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more browser and privacy guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.